Hello loves, and welcome back to my eucalyptus and lavender shower routine. I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use exfoliating gloves in the shower. These are my favorite. Then we're also going to use a body brush. Now you can find both of these items at Marshall's and TJ Maxx at an affordable price. Next, we're going to use this lavender soap just as our base soap as a pre-cleanse to cleanse our entire body from head to toe. Next, we're going to rinse, and then we're going to go in with this lavender and eucalyptus body wash. Now this is where we're going to start to build up our scent and lock that in. After the body wash, we're going to go in with this lavender and vanilla body scrub, and this is really good if you shave in the shower like I do. Definitely use it over those areas to help exfoliate and help prevent some of those ingrown hairs, and overall it just leaves your skin very soft and smelling great. Next, we're going to go in with the Foam body wash, feminine wash for the private area. Now you definitely want to be gentle with your private area. We're not washing inside of it, but rather on top. This is plant-based, so be very gentle with yourself. We're going to go ahead and lock in the moisture after we get out of the shower with this chamomile and eucalyptus and lavender lotion. Now this is very moisturizing, and we're going to start to continuously build up the scent there and just leave our skin very soft. Now I also like to top this off with a Dr. Teal's body oil. Now I love this. Now this is definitely optional, but it just smells really good and helps to lock in that moisture. I'm also going to use some witch hazel in between my private areas like my butt cheeks and underneath my arms to help cleanse any bacteria before putting on some deodorant. I'm just using the Secret deodorant right here. Now we're going to wash our face. I am using this cleansing balm by Clinique just to start cleansing my face with. As a balm, it's very soft. And then I'm going to go in and use up this Fenty cleanser. Now this is not my favorite, but you know, I had it so I was using it. So I'm going to also go in with the Fenty Fat Water. Now I definitely love this and would repurchase. I'm going to also go in and spray my face with this Lavender Leak. It just leaves my skin feeling very hydrated and smelling really good. I'm also going to finish off my skincare with this Tatcha moisturizing cream. Now this definitely leaves my skin with a silky, dewy finish, and absolutely love it. So let's talk about oral health because this is very important. This is a toothpaste that I'm using right now. It's the Crest 3D White, and I am enjoying it. But I want to tell you, definitely use a tongue brush to help clean off that excess bacteria and everything that your toothbrush doesn't get. That's very important. I also like to use my Listerine, and then after I also go in with a water pick as well. But if you don't have a water pick, good old-fashioned dental picks and or floss definitely works well. I'm also finishing this off with this amethyst perfume that I picked up from Marshall's, and it smells really great. Definitely a good after shower fragrance. Now we're going to go into another relaxing part of the video. I hope you guys enjoy just showing how I wind down a little bit, just enjoy some of my favorite drinks. I'm going to do a facial, and then also I'm going to share with you guys a really good detoxing drink. Now I definitely want to warn you, if you are going to make this drink, it's really good and I find it to be really beneficial for my body. However, if you're using fresh kale or any type of fresh greens, make sure that you are going to be home or near like a restroom, because it really does have that cleansing effect. At least it does on me. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I just love sharing with you guys things that make me feel beautiful, things that reset my mind and body. And yeah, so definitely please leave any comments below for anything that I can make this viewing experience better for you guys. So thank you so much. God bless. I love you guys, and take care of yourself. And remember, you are the love of your life. And never forget that. Also, the recipe for the smoothie will be in the description below. Thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.